The Filipino alphabet or ang Alpabetong Filipino. The Filipino alphabet is called the Alpabetong Filipino and consists of 28 letters. It is an expanded version of the older Tagalog alphabet or abacada, which originally had 20 letters. The current Filipino alphabet was officially adapted to include letters from other languages, reflecting the rich linguistic diversity of the Philippines. Here's a detailed explanation of the Filipino alphabet for someone learning the language. Overview of the Filipino alphabet. The Filipino alphabet includes 26 letters from the English alphabet, which is A to Z. There are 2 additional letters, which is the NY and the NG, which are unique to Filipino and other Philippine languages. So once again, all in all, there are 28 letters in the Filipino alphabet. Letter pronunciation in Filipino and English equivalent sound. The letter A, like the A in apple or father, like the B in bat. The letter C, like the C in cat or cell. The letter D, like the D in dog. The letter E, like the E in bet or net. The letter F, like the F in fun. The letter G, like the G in go. The letter H, like the H in hat. The letter I, like the I in igloo. The letter J, like the J in juice. The letter K, like the K in kite. The letter L, like the L in lamp. The letter M, like the M in man. The letter N, like the N in net. The letter NY, like the NY in niño. The letter NG, like the NG in sing. The letter O, like the O in orange. The letter P, like the P in pat. The letter Q, like the Q in queen. The letter R, like the R in rat. The letter S, like the S in sun. The letter T, like the T in tap. The letter U, like the U in umbrella. The letter V, like the V in van. The letter W, like the letter W in water. The letter X, like the X in box. The letter Y, like the Y in yes. And the letter Z, like the Z in zebra. Key features of the Filipino alphabet. First is the inclusion of foreign letters. So the Filipino alphabet includes F, J, V, Z, C, X, and Q, which were added to accommodate the spelling of words from foreign languages like Spanish, English, and other native languages. These letters are used in loanwords and names. We have the word family in English, and in Filipino it's pamilya. Pamilya. In English, it's a jeep. In Filipino, it's a jeep. Jeep. Pamilya, jeep. Pamilya, jeep. The second one is unique Filipino letters, the NY and the NG. So the NY is borrowed from the Spanish alphabet and is used in words like niño, meaning child in Spanish. Niño. The NG is a unique Filipino sound that is nasal, like in the English word song. Song. In Filipino, it is used in common words like ngiti, which is smile, ngiti, and ngayon, which is now. Ngayon. Ngiti, ngayon. The third one is pronunciation variations. Some letters are pronounced similarly to their English counterparts, while others like R are pronounced with a softer or rolled sound depending on the speaker's dialect. The letter W is sometimes pronounced as soft V sound in some regions. Evolution from abacada. Before the modern Filipino alphabet, there was the abacada, which had only 20 letters. This earlier version included letters common to native words but excluded letters like C, F, J, V, and Z. The modernization of the alphabet was necessary to reflect changes in language usage and globalization. Importance of the Filipino alphabet. So the expanded Filipino alphabet allows the language to incorporate loanwords from English, Spanish, and other languages more effectively. It also represents the diverse linguistic heritage of the Philippines, which includes influences from various regional languages and cultures. Learning the Filipino alphabet is crucial for learners because it lays the foundation for understanding pronunciation, spelling, and word formation in Filipino. In summary, the Filipino alphabet is a modern, flexible system designed to adapt to both native and borrowed words from other languages. It consists of 28 letters and is an essential starting point for anyone learning Filipino, as it helps with proper pronunciation, reading, and writing. The inclusion of letters like the nye and the ng gives the alphabet a unique character, distinguishing it from other languages while still maintaining similarities with the English alphabet to make learning easier for foreign students. Maraming salamat for watching this video, and I do hope to see you again in the next one. Bye!